Hi guys, my name is Jeff Puckett. I am doing my introduction video for the class, the sexuality class. Um, One of the areas of sexuality that I have some kind of interest in is in the future when I start my career, I actually want to be working with LGBTQ youth. They're a very vulnerable population. I don't think they get as much resources as as they could benefit from, especially when they're maneuvering through adolescence into pre-adult and adulthood. Um, so I'm very intrigued by that, and that's the direction I want to go. I'm in this class because unfortunately my internship got messed up thanks to the pandemic that's going on right now. So I was put in this class as a buffer. My ladder was completely reorganized. I'm quite frustrated with it, to say the least, but I'm sure everybody is. And one thing about safety, I guess, on the class is to really adhere to respecting other people's opinions. A lot of questions are going to be asked because most of us only have one idea of sexuality, and that's the one that we're based out of, where our sexual preference lies and where our sexual culture lies. So I think everybody needs to have an open mind. Um, but as social workers, I think we instinctively do that anyway. So I think that's one main thing that could help with the safety of the classroom. Anyway, I look forward to working with you guys. We'll talk soon.